Welcome to our channel today. I will show you exactly how to activate your Costco Anywhere Visa card in just a few simple steps, so you can start enjoying your benefits immediately. Welcome to our channel. Activating your Costco Anywhere Visa card is straightforward and fast. This guide will walk you through the entire activation process step by step, so you can have your card ready to use right away. First, make sure you have your new Costco Anywhere Visa card and your personal information nearby. For activation, you can choose between 3 convenient methods: online via the official website, by phone, or through the Costco mobile app. Let's start with the online activation. Go to the official Costco Anywhere Visa card activation website. Make sure you enter the URL correctly to avoid scams. Once on the site, locate the activation section. You will be prompted to enter details such as your card number, the security code on the back of your card, your social security number, or the last 4 digits of it, and your date of birth. Carefully input all required information. After submitting your details, the system will verify your identity and confirm the card activation. Usually you will receive a confirmation message showing your card is now active. The second method is activating your card over the phone. This option is perfect if you prefer talking to a representative, or if you encounter any issues online. Dial the number provided on the sticker attached to your card. Follow the voice prompts carefully to enter your card number and other required information. If you need assistance, you can request to speak with a customer service agent who will guide you through activation. The third method uses the Costco mobile app. Download and open the official Costco app on your smartphone. Log into your Costco account. If you haven't already, navigate to the card activation area, enter the necessary card details, and submit. The app provides a seamless way to activate your card quickly and securely, regardless of which method you choose. Make sure to set up your PIN as well. This is usually done during the activation process or separately through the same platform. Remember, your PIN will protect your card for in-store and online purchases. Once activated, your Costco Anywhere Visa card is ready to use for all your shopping, dining, gas station purchases, and more. Always keep your card information private and never share your PIN with anyone. Following these simple steps will get your Costco Anywhere Visa card activated safely and quickly, allowing you to enjoy excellent rewards and benefits from Costco and Visa. Don't forget to check for any additional activation instructions that may have come with your card package. Thank you for watching. And now you are ready to shop smarter and save more with your newly activated Costco Anywhere Visa card.